So I just want to close with one example of what trade can help us build together. Kusum Kavia was born in Kenya. Her family was originally from India. Eventually she emigrated to the United States and along with her husband started a small business in California. It started off as a small engineering firm. Then it started manufacturing small power generators. They started exporting power generators to West Africa.
The reason why our company looked at the sub-Saharan Africa market was twofold. First of all, I'm a second-generation Kenyan. So there was something about giving back to the continent of Africa. Secondly, exporting to a country like Nigeria, which is the largest economy in Africa, it far surpassed South Africa now, is important because they have a need for infrastructure building and power generation in particular.
In Benin, they helped build a new electric power plant. And it's ended up being a win-win for everybody. It's been a win for their company, Combustion Associates, because exports to Africa have boosted their sales, which means they've been able to hire more workers here in the United States.
And the jobs that were created were high-paying jobs, engineering, fabrication, manufacturing, controls, electronics. All of these types of jobs were added and we quickly surpassed to over 100 employees. We had 2 shifts and we were able to maintain the cash flows and everything as a result of getting that export project in place. International sales are really important to our company's bottom line because we understand that our products have a big market outside the United States. 90% of our customer base lives outside the United States. For companies that are looking to stretch and export to sub-Saharan Africa, I would say the first thing to do is to call the U.S. Commercial Service. It's not something that we started out with, but I truly believe after 10 years of being in this region that they are a source to provide the information that you will need in order to find the partner for that local presence on the ground. Africans do business quite differently from the Americans or the Europeans. They want to establish a relationship first. They would like for you to come and meet with them face to face. You can send emails and calls, but that's not going to work. And so for that reason, having the U.S. Commercial Service find you a partner, go there, inspect who you're going to be working with, go meet with them, have coffee, have dinner with them, because it's the relationship that will build the business.